US 30 East.
Oh, wow. Come on.
I'd spend 10,000 hours, 10,000 more. Oh, if that's what it's.
Well, what are you doing?
Make up your mind, bitch.
God damn it! It is compared to Houston. Yeah, you don't see that at all. What the fuck? Are you serious?
Park right there.
Fucking Uber.
Oh, that's Uber?
People are just running that light. Okay, don't pay any mind to anyone here in this lane. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I mean, all these lanes go left, I think. Last time I remembered. Yes, all these lanes, 3 lanes go left, so there's no reason. Okay. I was gonna say, he's pinching me. Okay. Chevy Malibu drivers, always. It states. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God, that was so close. Did you see that? There is a child. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Is this the outlet?
Are you gonna turn left? What are you doing?
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Okay.
Yes. What the f, man? Down! What the f?
fishes keep the faith. A world-class aerialist and acrobat shares about having to adapt.
What the f, bro?
During these strange times.
What the f, man? Why are you riding me so close, bro?
So I'll probably be home about 11.
Well, right now it's 7:30 there, right?
Pretty much on and off the brakes for the street. That's pretty
What the f, bro? What the heck is your problem, bro?
Unused buses, such as penalties,
No.
and protect your family.
This cult needs to be told enough. We want merit, hard work, respect, and responsibility. You work hard, you play hard. If you don't, well then too bad. This liberal ideology of no responsibility and luxury is psychotic. You go back a couple hundred years and people would wake up and they'd farm. And they'd say, if we don't farm now, we die in the winter.
Whoa! That's a madman! Oh shit! Car accident, bro! Whoa!
Just to support me and be a good mom.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh man!
Don't speed. Hey, you heard that? That's why I don't speed, Papa. Fuck that. You gotta go reasonable, man. You know, 5, 10, you know.
If you literally back into me.
Bro, go! What the heck? I got it.
Fuck you! What's a stop sign? You are my neighbor.
workplace, I've had to hire a head of security for reasons I really don't want to have to dive into. It's unfortunate that that is our current reality, but it needs to be built into the budget. I think this kind of general anxiety about the situation is one of the reasons why I've been dragging my feet and reintroducing live events. I don't know, and since this news came out over the weekend,
This is Michael Kielbasa with Kielbasa Smoke Meats and our legendary smoked sausage available on H-E-B and club stores everywhere. This sausage made the old-fashioned way with only the finest cuts of pork beef. It's nothing like the sausage that got your flavor as bold as Texas. I hope you'll try it. And if it's not the best sausage you've ever eaten, I'll give you your money back. Kielbasa Smoke Meats is not crafted in San Antonio since 1929.
Can I roll my window down too? No, don't do that. I don't even know what we're doing. What are we doing?
What are you doing?
I'm sorry, why are they cuffing him?
I don't know.
What? What? What the fuck? Okay. Just keep recording the whole time, Lee. Turn down the music. They're not taking him. For what? They have no reason. Excuse me? Why are they pointing guns at us? Yeah. Passengers step out of the vehicles?
They step out of the vehicle?
Yes, they said passengers step out of the vehicles. What the heck?